Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to tell you how to convert this file to WinRAR file. Before we go to video, I need you to subscribe, like, comment and turn on the bell notifications. Now let's jump to video. Open the newsrooms and then search WinRAR 64-bit, download, enter, and then you see the first link here. Click the first link one and then scroll down a little bit. Yeah, click in here, WinRAR 6.22 English 64-bit. Click in here and then wait a minute, it's will full. Now open the folder and see how it changed. Yeah, this folder it changed to WinRAR file. Yeah, and now this video come to the end. I think this video can help you, and I hope you guys like this video. And please have subscribe, like and comment. I will make more video for you. Thanks.